Hey. I haven't said that in a while. I think I said it on a recent video. Yes, indeed. I'm Fish. We're getting on out. Gotta get some. Gotta bring it back. It's like above golden hour, and we're, waiting upon some things. I'm waiting to see what DJI is going to come out with the Osmo Action 6 Pro. I can't wait. Right now, it's quiet because the 360 camera is smaller and wider. But I'm not interested in OSV files, are they? I use INSV files from the Insta360 X5. I'm happy I got one 360 camera. If I want two, I'll just go get it and go have fun. I'm not ready to learn a new program. But maybe I'm interested in a lower profile camera, an action camera, a 360 camera. I like to have those removable screens. So on the Osmo 6 Pro, what are they going to fix? What are they going to do? What are you going to get? And how long are you going to wait? Wouldn't the camera you got do the job, or the camera you had before be the camera that will do its job? Well, why do we got to get new? Why do we have to get always the best model and just get rid of the old? Why can't they just update the old camera like the new camera? Well, we all know those answers. Let's just hope we get a good camera on the next model out. The funny thing is, when I got my Insta360 Ace Pro 2, I started to stop using subject tracking. I got less interest of it, and I just basically went back and forth with the Ace Pro 2 and the DJI Action 5 Pro as a video camera. It's not like a car when every 2 or 3 years you get a lease and you hand it in. Well, with the action cameras, we can't do that. We just got to go spend for a new one. Buy, sell, trade. Before you sell off the last model you have, think about it. I may sell off 2 models behind, but I always hold on to my last model for me. I get it. You want to sell off so you could pay for the new model, and you get most of your funds back for the new model. I get it. I really do. But some of us have to keep the older models to help out everybody, to show, compare, and share. So I'm in, getting propane, exchanging, and getting on going. Mums they are. Early, too early for earliness. No propane, off I go. Let's get on going, maybe to another one. It's always good to talk about new things and what you want to hear, what you want to see, what you want to get, where you want to go, how you want to film it, how you want to share. It's a lot we can talk about. But there's got to be a limit. You're going to have to stop sometime. And, maybe Insta360 Ace Pro 3 may be the one to be looking for if and when they update that battery life. If they do that, oh man, I am sold. No, I'm not sold out yet. They have to get that Insta shutter start time going. That quick capture thing. Press it once, immediately it starts up. And that's where I love my DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, 4 Pro, 3 Pro. Yes, indeed. The Action 1 and 2 never had it. What happened? I didn't hear the beep. That's the way things are. Well, I am Fish. Been a pleasure talking. It's been a pleasure sharing. Been a pleasure showing. It's time for me to get on barbecuing another time when the gas comes out.